This right here and this is the most valuable thing that you could ever have in your RV. This secures and protects the #1 asset that you can have in an RV. That's right, the dad fridge. This is all my fridge. What's in here is my drink bar, is my snack bar, but I'm saying they're disappearing faster than I'm drinking them. This is to protect from against my son, my daughter, anything else that, oh, hey, there's the dad fridge. No, we're gonna protect against that once and for all, that my snacks are gonna stay safe and sound what inside of this fridge right here. Really quick, before I get started on the demonstration, I want you to do something that I forgot to do, which is I couldn't figure out for the life of me how to get this started, and it's super easy. And so don't be like me. This comes and slides down right here at the back, and guess what? I thought it was dead, but no, there's an on-off switch right here. In the instruction booklet, it doesn't show you where the on-off switch is. It just makes sure the unit's on. So I'm like, well, it's not charged. Maybe it's charged, but no, on-off switch right there on the back plate. Once you get the on-off switch, it's super easy. You download the app, you connect the app to it. It has a video right here, so I'm gonna know if somebody's trying to jack my snacks. So it's super easy to stick on here. You just kind of want to wipe the surface down, throw that right there. You just hit that on there, super sticky right there. See, I'm opening up and closing the door just like that. And then you have the second piece. Now I'm going to advise you to put this one on first. Now what you want to do after you get this piece on right here is you want to put the lock in. So now we're locked. So what you want to do is after you put this in and you lock this in, then you reach back and you find how far that's going to be, so that obviously if you have it here, they're going to be able to steal your snack still. So you want to make sure that you're pulling out enough slack right there. All right, and to do that, it's really simple. You just slip this part off. You just take this out right here. And there we go. Now, with this kit, you're going to get a couple of cards for this right here, and then you're going to get a couple of these key fobs right here as well. But the cool thing about this is not necessarily the cards, because I'm not going to carry cards on me, but you can if you want to. It's the palm thing right here. So I've already got my palm, but you do everything with the app. So let me show you really quick on this app. All right, this is called the eSmart. Come into the fridge lock. Once it's connected, you can actually come in here and authorize people. So if I want my wife to have authorization, but not my kids, I can come in here and manage that, right? I can share that account to her phone and all that kind of stuff. And then if I want to add a palm right here, I can add my palm and my son's palm right here, whoever I want to have access to this, right? And then your card manager right here. So you can have a card, whoever you want to give a card to. Now, the cool thing about that is you now know who's getting into there, right? So you have a record. If they use their card, they use their palm, or they use their phone. I'm just installing it for the first time, so I don't really have a record, but let me just show you how to do this. You just come up here, press that right there, enter a name. We're gonna call this Dad, add.
Please keep the card close to the lock to complete the registration.
They come over here, this card, just like this.
The card has been registered. Please use the new card to register.
Now we're good. Now it's unlocked with this card, just like that. And then you can come over here and go history record and card unlock. Get new records. Jackson's been seeing my fridge. So isn't that pretty cool? The other thing I'll show you really quickly is the palm. And then if you do want to unlock it right here, you can unlock it just like that. It unlocks. And then if you want fast connection mode, meaning if you're going to be using this a lot, fast connection won't sleep on you. If it's for a fridge, well, I like to leave it off. But if you're using it for something else that you need that fast connection, it's always going to stay awake. The battery won't drain a lot faster. So we're just going to use that. Plus you can have sound too. It'll beep. I don't really care for sound, so I turned that off. Here's the cool thing right here. I can come up here. So you keep your palm probably about 12 inches away. And that's all you need. You don't need these key fobs. And then I get the historical notification right here. So I know if I ever open this up and I'm like, hey, wait a minute, where did my drinks go? I can look in here on my app and say who had access to that. Where this is gonna live, obviously, if you have little kids running around and you don't want them to open up, even it could be a fridge lock, could be a cabinet lock, anything like that. It could work in any of those places. Super easy to unlock, lock. This could be for a garage, a tool shed, anything like that where you want to control the access. We're just happening to put it on a fridge so that I feel safe and secure that no kids can access the dad goodie fridge, right? And if you're the same way as me, if you don't want them to access the dad fridge or the adult fridge, then this is gonna be a great option for you.